Good morning everyone, it's day 21. I am still at the campground, pretty noisy, it's by the road, but that was the closest one I found yesterday evening. So I thought I was going to relax today. Well, not really. I spent an hour and a half taking everything out of the car and cleaning up the dust. And now I'm going to go back to Port Orford. It's only 10 minutes away. I'm going to do my laundry and wash the car and maybe do an oil change. Let's see if I can do that. And then from now on, I'm going to improvise. I'm going south, either to California or Nevada, where I'm gonna go back on the Trans-America Trail, the southwest part of it. So for the next 4 or 5 days, I'll improvise, just drive south. And this is it for now, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Laundromat next to a car wash. This is genius. Hello everyone, I am done for the day. I found a nice campground, nicer than yesterday. I am in California. I left Oregon earlier. I was on Road 101, which is pretty nice. All these rocks in the water and the road, the highway following the coast. It's really pretty. But that's it. Nothing too exciting today. No roadblocks, no fire, nothing. So it's a quiet day, so I'm gonna go eat something and I'll call it a day. Talk to you tomorrow.